How to delete a message in a conversation in text messages on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, open up the text messages app. Then in here, open up the text conversation. And within the text conversation, to delete a specific text message, simply touch and hold. Now once it is selected, you can see there is a darker shade. So you can select one or multiple text message. After that, so touch and hold, then select multiple text messages. And at the top, you can tap on the delete button. And then tap on delete. And that's it. So that is how you can delete or remove text messages in a conversation on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.